So anyway, guys, it's Samara Peace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Guys, Samsaleka is not a nice person. We all know that. Umayini has turned against Khumalo. Umacele has turned against Thobile. Uthobile, she has no one beside uMangwabe. Now Musamsalake he's going to Mangwabe to gossip ngoThobile. Guys, telling uMangwabe ukuthi yena noThobile they are fighting for possession. uThobile once came to him and said she wants him to do the DNA test. So now Mangwabe she's so confused. What is going on? People are saying was that's the reason why the wives are not getting along. Is because Musamsalake he's always gossiping. We're used to him gossiping no Macele, but I did not expect him to gossip no Mangwabe, guys. Mangwabe, she's always minding her own business. No, she's been saying this in season 7 onwards. She's the reason why this is Tembo is falling apart. People are being hurt for the things that Musamsalake has been going around saying to his wife. When he's with Macele, he will say this. Makumal, he will say this. Umayini, he will say this to Samke. No wonder why Samke she has this attitude, guys. There's something that Musamsalake is telling Samke. I'm a 2000 guys are obviously they will behave the way you tell them. Maybe he told her when you're so special. No wonder why she has this attitude. One thing about Makola, she doesn't care. Yes, she's a 2000, but she doesn't respect the other wives. So there's something Umayele and Musamsaleko told Samke, guys. There's no way it behavior Samke is saying something else. So anyway, guys, the only time the same was season 9, episode 5. We're gonna see Musamsaleko visiting Umangwabe to explain his situation. Yeah, Keno Makomale has nothing to do no Mangwabe, guys. So people are saying, hey, we are Sheba Lubaba. One thing about Tobin, he will Sheba. No wonder why Mpomelelo he doesn't respect the other wives. The guys, the only person he respects Umayini, obviously, because that's his mother. It is nothing he can do. When it comes to Macele, he doesn't even see Umayele. And people are worried. If anything happened, Umayele, she will cry. Especially Osamke, because now she has quit her job. I don't know what is her plan. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Musamsaleko going to Mangwabe to gossip Makomala. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe it, so like it, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.